Alright, so 2 out of 3 ain't bad, I guess. The lift was all screwed up, man. It wasn't even on a pallet. They were just dragging 2 posts down the warehouse. I was like, I'm not taking that. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. So I got 1 and 2. We're gonna do 2 unboxings right now. I gotta get these off the truck here. They're like 300-400 pounds off the U-Haul truck and into the new shop. So that's where we're at. Alright. Did look like that. Ripped off some of this wood. My God, this hooks that go through, you gotta bend these and then get a pair of pliers and bend them back the other way. Oh, and get all these pieces of wood from this box. It's crazy, look at that pieces. But I didn't want you to have to see me do all that. Oh my God, it was crazy. It was crazy. But boom, 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 boom. Brand new time machine here. In there somewhere. I think that holds the bucket. Oh. Brand new time machine. Brand new time machine. Oh, so beautiful, right? Oh, I can do tires now. All the little pneumatics are in here, and I think this is to get the, this is a filter with the compressor. That's nice. It came with its own little air and water filter and oil. And then all the pieces to hook up. Oh, this must be the inflator, the tire inflator right here. Tire inflator. Yeah. And then, let's see, it's got 4 pedals so that the spin the wheel, the clamp to bust the bead, to make it go in and out, the clamp, and this is to put air in the tire. So this is the clamp. So when you hit that one, it'll go in and out. The other one is this, the clam. So you put the tire in, and this will open up and close, and as you push the pedal down, it'll close this way and chop the tire bead off with this thing. This will go in there, you know. And then big neck here. Oh my God, that was so heavy. I carried that all out of the U-Haul by myself and loaded it today. The lift was broke, but we got the tire machine. I at least had to come away with something for the new shop. So there's the duck bill. You know how to lock it in, the neck. And then these are extra arms that go on the tire machine as well to help with the low profile tires and stuff. So I'm gonna put some of this together so you can actually see what it looks like. But I just want you guys to see what came in the box. All right, there it is. So this is where we're at. This was really heavy to move around. And we have the tire machine here with the 1 arm, but I have 2 extra pneumatic arms to go on the tire machine still. Woo! This thing is hard to put together because it's just so big. And then the little clamshell thing, right? And then I gotta find out where this little pad goes. I think that goes in front of the steps here. Like right here. We'll see. So we're almost there. We're getting the unboxing done. Oh, I got the little spoon thing in here. And there's this little thing to hold the arm on the other side here. It should lock in so it can't bang all the way across. And a little brush and to put your soapy water in. And then I still got to put all these components on and run air to this thing, an air line. So, and I picked all the way across the shop from where the compressor is 25 feet away to, now I gotta run an airline up along and then, okay. All right, so I just wanted to show you where we're at. I'm gonna cut some more apart and put the arms on, and then I'll let you guys check it out. I got it together as much as I can so far. So they got the machine, the pedals, so put the air in, like when you need to, it won't set a bead. This is the in and out for the, so it goes in and then out. I'm sorry, for the pinchers. This is the clam. So you can pull this out and then press this button, and what'll happen is it'll move this forward here to break the bead of the tire. And then this is a protector I got to put on here so that the rim won't mess this up. I still gotta screw that in. Then we got the little brush and some soapy water here. So we'll just be able, or grease or whatever you use this and go around the rim. That way it comes off a little easier. Everything's pneumatic. It has a water catch and a oil push out with PSI rating. I have to connect that right there. It's got quick connect lines, which I don't know if I really like, but I guess they're kind of like shark bites. So these quick connects now, you can push this in and pull the hose out. And they have teeth there. See the teeth down in there? So when you push this back in here, now when you pull it out, it won't come out. So you have to push this ring in to push the teeth out. And I mean, it's just air tubing. This air tubing does look like I might need to change it. It says, I don't know, I have to look it up. It's just got a bunch of numbers on it. So we have the main arm here, right? Oh, it's a little heavy, you gotta grease it. So we have the main arm here that goes up and down. You lock this on your rim, right? And then you lock it into place with this. Then we have what people call. So just because you made it this far, I got a little joke for you. So you can mount it different places here, you know, and you can even right here pull the tire up if you're trying to seal the bead. And then this is hydraulic, so you would go down or up, and you can hold on to this and move the arm anywhere you need it to be, you know, like over here, over there, wherever. I like this, how it's kind of in the way, because this can't just get hit by something and move this up and down. If your buddy comes over and he's leaning on this, it doesn't go down and up. It goes side to side. So you have to physically do this. If my hand's on here and I fall down, even if this bar wasn't here, it wouldn't work. So there's a nice hydraulic here. And then we got a second arm with a roller on it, so we can move that. So if we're doing really nice low profile tires, we have this arm in, then we can move this arm around. This arm is on the tire, this arm is in the rim, that's why they're spaced out. You can adjust this here to come forward more, to get more of a turnaround on this arm, I guess. Or back, there's an adjuster here. So, you know, if I adjust it back a little bit, then now it goes forward more. So now it's even in front. So you can see where you want it, because you don't want this to clang into each other. You know, you paid a lot of money for this machine. So this is to push the tire down and help it roll. And then this will stay in place, while this one, when you have it on the tire, should go along with the tire and move itself, just like I moved it. Then there's a spoon on the other side. I'm really impressed. So this has the mechanism as well. I don't know why it's another color. I guess because it's an add-on. Usually a tire machine just comes with the neck, the rotating table, the clam, bead popper, and this one arm right here, not this extra arm, just this one arm, and that would be it. If you get a fancier one, it comes with this, the cheater arm that you can adjust and put anywhere you need to. And then I went the full Monty and got the third arm, because if I'm gonna buy a machine, I'll just spend a couple $100 more and get both arms put on. Then I never have to get it again. Half the time I probably won't even be using this. It'll be out here, far away. That way when I'm using this, you know, or whatever I'm doing, I have big open rooms. Sometimes I don't even need to use this, so we could just get it out of the way as well. And now I have all this room to work. So I can usually just take the tire off, arm, and if I have to, we have an extra arm, but I'll probably never even use that. Which is good, because if this hydraulic ever breaks, I can always take this hydraulic off and just swap them out, you know? So this is the tire machine all up and ready to go. I put everything together. Just have to connect the air lines, and then you'll be seeing us use it in the shop. This was a huge upgrade to my shop, because everyone's asking me, can you plug my tire? Can you fix my tire? If I bring you tires, can you put them on? So-and-so scratch my low profile tires. I want to take it somewhere professional. Well, now we have an octopus. This is called an octopus because it's got multiple arms, and it'll do everything for you. It's brand new. It still has cosmoline on it, like a little bit of oil and grease in here. You see? It's kind of cool. It's brand new. Never been used. I'm debating on painting it. I think I want to paint it purple to match a shop. I don't know. What do you guys? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should I paint it purple? Just the red parts. All the black will stay black. Silver will stay silver. Table will stay silver. Just the box and this long piece in the back. Paint that purple to go with the shop. Comment down below. Tell me, is it too much purple for the shop? You know, is it too much? Because the toolboxes are black right now, but I'm buying some green ones. I found lime green toolboxes, but I can't find any purple ones. So I want to add some purple in. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think. And let's keep moving on, man. Thank you guys for stopping by the Sturman Kreationz. If you like tire machines, especially this one, you want to see me using this, like, subscribe, and keep following us. We love you all. We're coming. Peace out.